This is my new spot. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. They just laid a piece of metal in here, right over the top of the rust. Down here, there's a piece here, there's a piece here. I mean, this thing's been patched over a few times, so I'm going to come in, cut clear across. Okay, this is what I don't like. When people just come in and just lay metal over the top of something that's rusted out. I mean, you can see the rust falling off. I'm going to say that they put a cab corner, not cab corner, but a rocker panel in this. And, well, that didn't last. They just rolled the metal over to here, but they didn't weld it in properly, because I've been able to just peel that off. I'll have to get in here and do some more surgery. Sorry about that. But either way, I'm going to cut up to here, crossed. Well, I'm going to have fun with this. As you can see, the metal is the wrong way. I'm going to have to bring this over a little ways and bring this in, because this metal is supposed to come over and roll over the top of this, not this over it. So, should be interesting. Yeah, before I get into this too deep, I thought I'd show you. I've gone off and cut it all the way to the bottom, and you can see this part's bent in. I've got to roll that back out. At least I think that's bent in. Maybe it's made like that, I don't know. And then I'm going to finish cutting across that bottom area there. But you can see how big of an area I cut out. And then I used that rust converter on it. And I'm going to use some more inside there. Just get that to where it's better than it is now. Okay. Next we'll be actually fabricating up stuff. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Come back again. Maybe I'll have something you'll like. Bye.